Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SHMP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. And after today's price movement stuff, certainly some updates here need to be made. First update that comes about is based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they do tend to act as resistance. So going into today, this level right here at 70 cents was a level of support, but now with the price down below it, that would be considered an area of resistance. So going into Wednesday, any sort of bounces or attempted moves to the upside, 70 cents is going to be that first initial level that the price is going to need to fight through. And if it can get through there, then yeah, you can start to focus on this next level up here at 85. But as things stand right now, kind of worthless and pointless to talk about doing battle with 85 until the price can first prove themselves. And again, prove themselves, quote unquote, as being defined as getting up above 70 cents and then staying up above it. So those are going to be the two overall levels of resistance. Yeah, you have one up around 95 cents, but that's certainly getting way far ahead of things, given that the price is now sitting down here around this area of the chart. Now, what about levels of support? If this pullback continues, where are some next potential areas where the price could stabilize and try to turn itself around? In terms of next areas where the buyers have really kind of shown up quite a bit, that would be right down here around the 47 cent mark, give or take a little bit. But if you go through the history of things, you can see a low right there, a low from earlier in the day. And I suppose these lows are kind of, maybe I'm stretching there, but you get the idea that the general, congestion point as far as buyers are concerned, definitely right around 45, 46 cents. So that's going to be an important level to watch going forward. And just in case the price does break down through there, let me map out one more area of support. If that 45, 46-ish area cannot hold up as support, next key level to watch would be down there right around the 40 cent mark. So those would be the next couple areas of support going into Wednesday. Again, 45, 46, and then down there right around 40. If you just, for argument's sake, you can also just call this a support zone down between these two areas if that makes life easier. Point being, in this, general area of the chart, there has been quite a few, instances where the buyers have shown back up. So if the price does go down there, it'll be interesting to see if those people are still willing to buy down around those areas. So overall, yeah, the price pulled back today, but no price can go straight up. And as long as prices build overall higher bases, which this one still has the opportunity to do, then you still got to give the advantage to the bulls. So yeah, let's see if the bulls can eventually chip away and build a higher base here. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.